Assalamu alaikum, chapter direct in inverse proportions. Topics to be discussed are exercise 1C question number 13. For reference, we are using exercise 1C of this book, so stay tuned.
Question number 13, exercise 1C. 12 glass blower can make 12 identical vases in 9 minutes. Assuming that all the glass blower can work at the same rate, how long will it take 8 glass blower to make 32 such vessels? So let's find out first how many variables we have. Okay, glass blower, 12 glass blower, identical vases, and time. I'm going to write down the variables. Glass blower, identical vase, and time in minutes. Alright, so according to the question, 12 glass blower can make 12 identical vases in 9 minutes. Alright, now let's see. If 3 variables are involved, we know if 3 variables are involved, we must do this kind of question in 2 steps. Okay, so this is the step number 1, in which we have to keep one variable constant and then deal with the other 2. So which variable should I keep constant? Okay, I'm going to keep, alright, so according to question, how long will it take 8 glass blower to make 32 such vases? Okay, so I'm going to keep this constant. Why? Because first I'm going to find out that how long will 8 glass blower take to make 12 vases, and then after keeping 8 constant, the glass blower constant, I will, in the next step I will keep the glass blower constant and find out that how long they will take, 8 glass blower will take to make 32 such vases. Okay, so let's find out. 12 glass blower can make 12 identical vases in 9 minutes. We have to find out 8 glass blower, how long 8 glass blower will take to make 12 identical vases. So forget about this. Let's consider these 2 variables. Okay, so more glass blower, if more glass blower will work, time will reduce or increase. I think if there will be 12 glass blower, then there will be less time. More people can perform a work in less time. So if the number of the glass blower will increase, the time of its completion of identical vases will decrease. If the number of the people, the worker, will decrease, time will increase. So what kind of relation is this? Yes, when one value increases and when one variable increases and the other decreases, this kind of relationship is inverse proportion. Okay, inverse proportion. And what formula do we use when 3 variables are known in inverse proportion and 1 variable is unknown? Right, we use this formula: x1, y1 is equals to x2 y2. So let's denote our value. x1 y1 x2 and y2 is going to be unknown. So we will going to find out the value of y2. y2 is going to be from this formula, right? y2 is going to be x1 y1 upon, see here, x2. Let's put the values. 12 into 9 upon 8. Okay, so this is going to be, after multiplication, it's going to be 13.5 minutes. So let's write down very neatly over here. 8 glass blower can make 12 identical vases in 13.5 minutes. Okay, now we have to find out how long will it take 8 glass blower to make 32 such vases. So I'm going to keep this constant because 8 glass blower is already we have established. Now we will deal with these two variables, time and number of vases. So we have to find out that if we have to make 32 vases, how long will it take, right? So let's find out. Let's consider the relationship again. If 8 glass blower make 12 vases in 13.5 minutes, so if the number of the vases will increase, time will increase or time will decrease? Number of the vases increases, time will increase, right? Right. So less vases, less time, more vases, more time. What kind of relationship is this? It is direct proportionality. And when direct proportionality come and we have 3 variables that are known and 1 variable that is unknown, what formula we use? We use this formula, y1 over x1 is equals to y2 upon x2. So this is going to be 12 is going to be x1, 13.5 is going to be y1, 32 is x2, and the unknown value will be y2. Let's do the formula. Let's put the values in the formula. Okay, y2 is equals to y1 into x2 upon x1. y2 is equals to 13.5 multiplied by x2, that is 32, upon x1, that is 12. Okay. So after all multiplications, you can write down 13.5 like 13 into 1 upon 2. That would be more easy. So after all the multiplication, my answer will be 36 meters. So we can say that 8 glass blower can make 32 vases in 36 minutes.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates.